Today, I'll show you how to delete an opportunity in Salesforce. Whether you're tidying up your records or removing an outdated entry, knowing how to efficiently delete an opportunity is a handy skill for anyone using Salesforce. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the specific opportunity record you intend to delete. This means navigating to the Opportunities tab in Salesforce. Once there, you'll see a list of all the opportunities currently in your system. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one. If your list is extensive, you can use the search bar to quickly find the opportunity by name or any related identifier. Accuracy here is crucial, as you want to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong record. Once you have the opportunity record open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an action menu, which might initially look like 3 dots or a drop-down arrow, depending on your version of Salesforce. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal more options. This menu provides you with several actions you can take related to the opportunity, including editing, cloning, and, of course, deleting the record. From the list of actions that appear, go ahead and select the Delete option. Salesforce will then prompt you to confirm this action. This is a built-in safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, as removing an opportunity is irreversible. When the confirmation dialog box appears, take a moment to double-check that this is indeed the action you wish to take. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm. Once you've confirmed the deletion, Salesforce will remove the opportunity record from your database. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone, so if you think you might need the information in the future, consider exporting or saving the data elsewhere before deletion. And just like that, you've successfully deleted an opportunity in Salesforce. Remember, keeping your records up to date and relevant is key to maintaining an efficient and organized CRM system. Regularly reviewing and cleaning up your opportunities can help ensure that your sales pipeline reflects the most accurate and actionable data. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to reach out or explore Salesforce's help resources for additional support. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it has empowered you to manage your Salesforce opportunities with greater confidence. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature.